Welcome back, golf fans. The first full field event of the 2026 season is in the books. We were out in paradise for the Sony Open in Hawaii, where trade winds and a jam leaderboard made for the start of the 2026 PGA season. Emerging from a crowded pack was Chris Gotterup, capturing his third career victory in impressive fashion. Gotterup started Sunday 2 shots off the lead, but managed the howling winds better than anyone. He fired a closing 6 under 64 to finish at 16 under par. He took total control on the back 9 with clutch birdies on the 12th and 13th, and basically sealed the win with a laser-like tee shot on the par 3 17th. Ryan Gerard clutched up with birdies on his final 2 holes to secure solo second at 14 under. But it was a tough Sunday for 54-hole leader Davis Riley. His round came undone midday with some costly mistakes, dropping him to solo 6th. The non-winner story of the week? That belongs to 62-year-old legend Vijay Singh. He defied Father Time to not only make the weekend but finish T40, proving he can still navigate a tight track against the modern bombers. Next week, the tour heads to the mainland for the Pro-Am at the American Express. Scottie Scheffler is making his season debut. Who's your pick for the Amex? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the recap, and subscribe to Golf Rundown so you don't miss next week's update.